So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the true privilege to introduce to you this beautiful 2013 Saleen Ford Mustang GT S302 yellow label. And this car comes to us just an absolute collector grade example of these Saleen Mustangs, and just this car is possibly one of the rarest Mustangs produced by Saleen, 2013 being an extremely low production year for Saleen, with only 20 Mustangs being built in total. And this car is one of two yellow label coupes built for the 2013 model year, and only the only one in this color combo. And that black just shines beautifully throughout. That paint is in excellent condition, set off by the factory 5-spoke Saleen wheels and the Saleen 302 fender stripes and supercharged 302 badging, because of course under the hood of this Saleen Mustang is a 625 horsepower supercharged Coyote V8 backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. And inside you have the factory bucket seats, dash of course signed by Molly and Steve Saleen. It's a very tasteful and extremely well kept interior. And this car is just a gorgeous example of these Mustangs, and just one that you don't see very often. But not only is it a gorgeous example of these Mustangs, it's a great driving example. So we'll go grab the other cameras and take it for a test drive. Love these Saleen Mustangs. Yeah. So yeah, now we're gonna go for a test drive in that gorgeous 2013 S302 yellow label Mustang. And that supercharged Coyote 5-liter fires right up, just like you'd expect from a car with only, what, just right at 8,800 actual miles.
There's a beautiful car.
It is.
Backed by that awesome 6-speed transmission.
It's just got an awesome exhaust note too. I mean, immediately lets you know that you're in something special.
Yeah.
These Saleen Mustangs were, I mean, Saleen always went above and beyond with their performance tuning, and their cars are just so balanced.
I mean, just not just the appearance. I mean, everything that they touch on these cars looks factory. The appearance, and then the performance, the mechanics. I mean, it feels like a factory car.
Oh, absolutely.
They did an amazing job upgrading these cars.
Yeah, I mean, they did stop short at like just the suspension. I mean, in this one too, and what I kind of like about these yellow labels is, I mean, the cosmetic touches are just minimal. It's just enough to really set it apart from your standard GT. But all of it, the rest of the cost on this was focused on just the suspension and the drive line.
And the fit and finish of these cars.
Oh yeah.
You know, it's just...
Interior is nice and quiet.
You pop the hood and you can't tell. I mean, it looks stock underneath the hood. They did
with the exception of that supercharger.
Well, the exception of the supercharger, but... And everything says Saleen on it.
Yeah. But no, I mean, this car's got great manners, and it's a great driving car. Like we said earlier, it's a collector grade example of these Saleens. I mean, we have the original Ford window sticker, the Saleen window sticker. You have the certificate of authenticity from Saleen stating that this is a true one-of-one example in this spec and color combo. And I love this spec. I mean, for me, I always like driver cars. And this car is like not over the top in options. It's actually pretty stripped. You have the cloth with the Saleen logo in the headrest, the cloth bucket seats, and then the Saleen shifter. And as far as convenience options, I mean, you just have the basic power windows, power door locks, then aftermarket Kenwood radio, and
AC, cruise control.
Yeah. But it's not over the top. You don't have like heated seats and everything, and your seats are actually on manual on this. It's a driver's car.
Yeah.
So, and that's what you want from your sports cars.
Yeah. That black on black with the silver stripes and accents. Just a gorgeous car.
Absolutely.
And I don't know if you said anything about Steve and Molly have both signed the car twice. Once on the dash and once under the hood.
Yeah, the signatures under the hood have a little bit of wear to them, but very legible inside the car. As you'd expect, they're going to get more wear under the hood. But no, it's
extremely well maintained car.
So we'll open up and let that 5-liter breathe a little bit.
That was quick.
Yeah.
And not taxing on the car. I mean, that car had a lot more to give.
For sure.
So, what an amazing performing car.
Absolutely.
And that supercharger whine, you just can't. I mean, there's just like nothing.
It's intoxicating. Yeah.
Yes.
You know, on this particular, I mean, you hear it constantly. It's just always whistling up there. You get just that mechanical whine. It's awesome.
It's a beautiful sound.
It is. And this just a beautiful car. I mean, if you're looking for just a very rare Saleens, I mean, like we mentioned, this is 2013 was just such an incredibly low production year for Saleen as far as the Mustangs are concerned, with building only 20 cars, and this is one of 2 yellow label coupes built. So like, ignore the one of one. I mean, they only made 2 yellow label coupes in 13, right, and this is one of them. I mean, so this is one of the rarest Mustangs and specs that Saleen ever produced. I mean, anything in 2013 for them was, but yeah, and then with this color combo being a one-of-one car. So
great performance upgrades.
Absolutely. You know, it's just, you can get in, turnkey, drive, enjoy this car, take it to your local cruising or car show. I mean, this car is ready. I mean, for whatever you want to use it for. Add it to the bookend of one year in your car collection.
Drive it to California and back to Maine, whatever you're looking to do, and enjoy the ride.
For sure. Very comfortable car, has just enough convenience options to keep you comfortable, but yeah, underneath it all is just a monster of a Mustang.
It is.
So if you're interested, you definitely want to stay tuned for that walk-around inspection. There's maybe a handful of defects, if at all. This car is extremely nice and well cared for, so you definitely want to stay tuned for that. Mainly just a highlight reel of a gorgeous Mustang, so definitely stay tuned. So now that we're done with the test drive, we'll move on to the walk-around inspection portion of the test drive video, and this really won't take long. Like we said earlier, this car is just an exceptional example of these Saleen Mustangs, and one that's been extremely well kept. So coming into the driver's side portion of the windshield's nice and clean and clear. Your Saleen windshield banner is in excellent condition. The glass has no chips or heavy scratches in it. Your wiper arm, nice and black and clean. Coming across the driver's side of the hood, the hood throughout is nice and straight, not noticing any paint defects or stone chips to note. Your driver's side front fender, very clean and straight. Factory Saleen wheels are in very good condition. You do have a little defect in the one spoke there that I'm noticing. Or your Saleen fender emblem, Supercharged 302, in very good condition. Coming across the front of the car, you do have your serial number 11 for the 2013 model year. The front bumper is nice and straight and clean, absent of any heavy stone chips or defects. The front grille in very good condition.
Both your headlights are as well.
Absolutely. Passenger side of your hood, again, very clean and straight. No defects to really note. Passenger side of the windshield,
you might have a little imperfections in the tint. Yeah. I mean, the car can't be perfect, right? It's
no,
got to have
of course
something.
not. Passenger side front fender is nice and straight.
Though this car is close to being...
It is very close. Again, factory Saleen passenger front wheels in excellent condition. Not noticing really any defects on that one at all.
Both the tires so far are dated 21.
Roof is nice and straight.
Might have a real minor ding.
I catch that guy in just the right light.
I don't even know if I can get it.
It does have a very minor one there on the roof. Passenger side glass is nice and clear. Passenger side mirror is not showing any defects to note. Same with your passenger side door. I'm not noticing any stone chips or dings to note. Your rocker cover is extremely clean as well. Even around your door handle, I mean, there's just no scratches. And you just see how well this car's been cared for. And coming into the interior of this Mustang, you'll find an extremely clean factory interior.
Door cards in excellent condition. I mean, all your lettering on all the buttons, nice and clean, crisp. Door jambs, nice and clean. Same with the scuff plate and the jamb, the rest of the jamb. Your cloth upgraded Saleen seats are in very good condition. Same with the black carpet, very nice and rich black. Center console on the passenger side in very good condition. Same with the dash. And you got Molly and Steve's signatures. Your dash is nice and straight, no warpage, no cracks. Your headliner's in very good condition, no issues there. And of course, the back seats that hardly ever get used, this one looks like it's never been used. It's in very good condition. Same with the quarter panel.
Coming back outside, your passenger side rear quarter is nice and straight. No defects to really note. Same with your passenger rear wheel.
And that tire's dated 21 as well.
Your rear glass is in excellent condition. Same with your rear deck lid and spoiler. You do have 3 little scratches in the spoiler, just on the edge there. The rear bumper is very clean. Not noticing anything to really note there. Rear deck panel and tail lights, all in excellent condition. Coming to the trunk. So the bottom of the trunk is very clean. Trunk compartment looks like it's been sparingly used, and you still have your factory Saleen floor mats.
And you got a custom car cover there as well. And the gas struts operate just like they should.
Come across the driver's side rear quarter. Your rear quarter is nice and straight. Again, not noticing anything in this car is just a gorgeous example of these Saleens.
And the 4th tire is dated 21 as well.
And that wheel showing just as nice as the rest of them. Your quarter glass is nice and clear. No real defects to note there. Driver's side of the roof showing better than the passenger side. It doesn't have any dings or anything in it. The driver's side glass is as clear as the passenger side. Coming through the door. Door's nice and straight. No real defects to note. And keeping a black car, if you've owned a black sports car, you know how hard it is to keep it this clean.
Yeah, they've done an amazing job. Driver's side portion of the interior, very comparable to the passenger side, and in excellent condition. We might have just a couple light scuffs on the plate and the arm pull, but probably from pouring the door closed. Your hinge area is very clean. Another rocker and very nice scuff plate. All your factory labels are nice and clean and crisp. Driver's side seat, it's in excellent condition. Same as the driver's side carpet, no defects. Driver's side portion of the dash, nice and straight, nice and clean. All of our buttons are nice and crisp. Do have an Aftermarket Kenwood stereo. Buttons on the steering wheel are very nice and clean. And then the driver's side portion of the rear seat, just like the passenger side, as new. Not seeing any defects on the quarter panel or the seat or the rear carpet.
And coming under the hood, you'll find a very tidy and well-presenting engine compartment, showcasing that great supercharged 5-liter V8. You have your factory Saleen Motorsports tag attached to the strut tower, and of course Molly, Saleen, and Steve Saleen's signature. They're a little worn under the hood. Isn't that great? Saleen Supercharger. So we'll go ahead and get on in the Mustang, fire it up, and show you some lights working.
That great 5-liter fires right off, no funny noises. Just a lot of great sound, especially coming from that supercharger. With the headlights, brights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal. Both your front marker lights work just like they should. Come back to the back of this Saleen. That great sound out of that dual exhaust. So you got your running lights, brake lights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and your reverse lights. All your lights are working just as they should.
So if you're in the market for just an excellent example of these 2013, 2014 Mustang GTs, and one that just presents like new with some added performance from a very reputable company like Saleen, and that is a collector grade quality with extremely low miles, this car checks all the boxes. You're definitely going to take a very close look at this one-of-one 2013 Saleen S302 yellow label, rock solid motorsports.